In this video, I'm going to show you how to replace your valance panel on this Dodge Grand Caravan. This is the panel that sits right underneath your front bumper cover. Let's get started. Underneath, you'll notice that there should be 4 push clips here. Mine are all missing. I'm going to reinstall them when we reinstall this piece, but you want to start by removing all of these. All you need is a trim tool and pop them off. On each corner of the bumper, where this valance panel meets the bumper, there will be another push clip. Take this off also with the trim tool. This is the same style that you should have across the bottom there that mine were missing. Pop this out. There we go. Where the valance panel meets the fender liner, this is going to apply to both sides. You'll see another push clip. Remove this as well. There we go. Do the same to the other side, remove both of those push clips. Now to remove this piece, we have to access it from right up here. My corner piece here is a little bit broken, so it actually just pops off. But if anything, this helps me show you exactly what it's going to be like. You have these tabs that slide in, and they have a raised area. That's more of a hook that slides in to this piece, which for me is also broken. But my other ones are still intact. So basically, what you're going to want to do is stick screwdriver, trim tool, whatever you have in there, and pry this up and this down. We're going to go across the entire front of the bumper here and do that. It's hard to see because of the location, but that's why I wanted to show you first so that you have an idea of what has to happen. Pull the valance panel out at the same time. There we go. Try not to pry too hard, because if you do, it will actually just break the plastic, and you're trying to avoid that. There we go. This is the last one, so I'm going to make sure to support this piece properly so it doesn't fall. There it is. Now take your valance panel and line it up with the bumper cover assembly. Try to line up all those clips and then slide it through. It should lock in. Grab your push clips, put them in on the sides first. That way it can stay secured on here. There we go. And this one on the side. There we go. Do the same to the other side. In the center here, the radiator support has 2 hooks. This needs to slide under just so it can be supported. And then I have new push clips that I'm going to put underneath here. Just start on one end and work your way to the other. All right, there you go.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.